What up? This your boy Money Making Jess back at it again with another daily debriefing. It's Wednesday, November 11th, 2020, and we about to get it going. So, the title of this episode is New Webcam and Testing StreamYard and Streamlabs OBS. So, this is basically part of my podcast and video log equipment. So I basically changed some things up on how we're going to do things on the channel moving forward, people. So yesterday, I did receive my new mic by Fine. It's the K052 model. It's the gooseneck. Let me see if I can show it to you guys real quick. So this is it right here. So it has a built-in mute and volume button. I do apologize for any kind of extra noise this creates. I did move the mic. Hopefully it didn't mess up too bad. But I got that in yesterday, and today I got in my new webcam. It is a 2K webcam with the the ring light. So there's a small little ring light around it. So if I tap on it, so that's level 1, level 2, and level 3. So you see it, you guys can see the reflection of my glasses of the ring light. Then you tap the side, it turns it off. Kind of neat. Did a little bit different. It's supposed to have noise reduction, autofocus, some other features. There will be a link in the show notes, down below in the show notes, that basically, if you want to buy it, it's under $60. It's a decent camera. It's okay. But I do eventually want to upgrade to a more robust and more podcast / video log / type of capabilities. But right now, this would suit me. And the reason why I'm not using my webcam on my laptop is the way I have my desk set up, it wouldn't work out right because I have a lifting little like gizmo here that prompts me if I want to stand up. So my laptop sits underneath it. And the only way I can open up my laptop is I have to have it fully extended. And the majority of stuff I do sitting down, so that wouldn't work. Because my webcam on my laptop is very good. I'm happy with that. But that it just won't work with my environment. So I had to purchase this webcam. I'm happy. It's under $60. If you want to purchase it, it's linked down below through Amazon. And so same thing with the microphone. If you want the microphone, there's a link down in the show notes. Same with the laptop I'm using. And also I did list the live streaming platform that I'm going to be using, which right now I think I'm going to stick with StreamYard. Because for me, I'm a very simple person. I don't like things a lot of robust, and it takes rocket science to figure out. The one thing with Streamlabs, OBS, there's a small learning curve. So right now I am reading the manual, so I want to make sure I have everything right. With Streamlabs OBS, I can add a lot more features that I want to add. But for now, so I can get my video logs up on YouTube and other places, and also for my streaming, my live stream, which I'm going to start doing as well, this will work for now. So, what I really want to do with this channel, people, is I wanted to make videos and then take the audio out, then move those to my podcast channel. But the whole thing with the webcam, because at first I was making videos with my phone, it was too much. So recently, basically the last 30-some episodes have really been me doing a podcast, or doing a podcast and making my video basically with another program called Headliner, so I can make like the animated MP3 turn into MP4. Then when I was doing my weekly major episodes, I was just doing a screen capture with no video in the background. But I really wanted to make this more personal when I talk to you guys like I'm talking in front of you, so I did want to have the webcam capture also. So I decided to go ahead and invest. Got to invest in yourself. It takes money to make money. So I went ahead and bought the camcorder. So far I'm happy. I'm pleased. Definitely I'm going to invest in something a little bit better. But for now, hey, got to do what you got to do. So with that said, what I'm doing weekly every day at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is hosting a live training event. The first video, 1 out of 10, I'm going to give to you guys free. Basically what this is Make Money Online Free Training course. So there's 10 videos altogether, but the first video I'm going to give to you guys free. And if you guys want the whole complete training, it is $9.99. This link here will take you to my website where you can purchase it. Like I said, check it out first. Make sure it's something you want to get into. I'm actually going to play some of that video at the end of this broadcast. So you guys, I may play it because it's only like, I think the first video is like 5 minutes. So I'm going to play the whole entire video on this webcast. All right. So it also does come with the MP3 version, just in case you want to take it. You're working out, you're jogging, or if you just at work or in the car, you just want to listen to the audio. It does come with the audio clips as well, and it does come with an ebook as well. So you get the video, you get the audio, and you get the ebook training, and all together. And it's only $9.99. So if you guys want to get some valuable, exclusive information of what works and doesn't work from a professional that's done like affiliate market and done niche type websites to make money, this is the training you need. So go ahead, go to the link below, order it today, and it's immediate download, and it is yours. Get to making this money. All right. Enough of that, people. Enough of that. All right. So as we know, this is mmjdoesforex.com. This is the homepage. And the contest is still going on. I haven't declared a winner because I haven't had a lot of people involved in it. So people get involved, join my channels, send the email. As soon as I get enough participation, I'm going to give the people $100 and a lifetime membership to Greenwood District. All right, so everything's right here. What you got to do is not that difficult. It's not that hard. Let's get it. Let's get a winner. And I want to announce my very first honorary member to Greenwood District Traders Club. Okay, let's get it, people. And obviously, always buy me a pizza or coffee. This is a little introduction I did on my cell phone. This is a free ebook. Price action is the way to go. I'm telling you, people. And also, you can always listen to my podcast here. It updates whenever I put a new podcast up. All right, so let's see what market's open right now. Let me refresh this. So we both got Sydney and Tokyo open. I did make a late, I call it a mid-evening trade because it's not late night. So what I did is I went short on Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. And I did my stop loss, I did my take profits, and hopefully I make money. So we'll see. What I do now, once I make the trade, I close out the window and I don't look at it for a while. It is what it is, people. It's either, you got a 50-50 chance here. Either it's going to make money or it's going to not make money. And we around here love pips. So hopefully we gain more pips. So this is what we're doing. Because what happens when you look at that, once you decide what you want to trade and you see it making money and it goes down, it's making money going down, what happens is fear takes over. Then once fear takes over, you're either going to come out of the trade and not maximize as much as you could have got. So just let it mature, people, because either way it goes, if it's going to win, it's going to win. If it's going to lose, it's going to lose. You can't tell the future. You don't write history books. So let it ride, people. I'm telling y'all, let it ride. Let it mature. Hopefully it matures the positive way versus the negative way. So if you do your research, you're looking at your charts, and you follow my 3 golden rules, you should, the majority of the time, come out ahead. Plus pips, baby. Plus pips. All right? All right. So let's look at my trade journal here. This is what's going on so far. This is what's up. This is what's up. Let me refresh this because this should at least open trade should be 1. Let's see. Here we go. So as we can see right now, I'm down 3, like almost 4 pips, which is good because earlier was up 4 pips. So I'm letting it work. I'm letting it work itself. So this is the open price I paid for it. Here's my stop loss. Here's my take profit. So just let it work. Let it mature. It's 50-50. That's how I'm looking at this stuff. Either it's going to take profit or it's going to hit stop loss. But make sure you put your stop losses in and your take profit. And make sure that your stop loss is at ATR. And for me, I do take profit ATR times 1.5 and I'm out. Okay? So that's what you do. Just let it ride out. That's why I'm not really an intraday or a scalper anymore. I'm more of a swing trader more than anything in position trader, because I found that when I went through my history, people. Let me see if I can pull this up. So here's my history. As you can look, duration, majority of my stuff when I made big was over. I let it ride. I let it mature. Like this stuff here, this 29 and 36 minute stuff, this 2.6, 4 point pips, because I was scared. So I got out. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you got to let this stuff mature, because when my stop losses hit, I mean, it whatever I won the previous days is taken away, because my wins were so low. I wasn't really gaining any pips. So if you look at this one here, when I let it ride out and let it hit its take profit, look how many pips I won. See what I'm saying? So I was shorting myself. Don't short yourself, people. Let it mature, because regardless, if it's going to lose, it's going to lose, okay? So you got a 50-50 chance here. Either it's going to win or it's going to lose, okay? So we know we can't win every trade, but as long as we're hitting our take profits, in the end, we should make more money, okay? And make more pips. Remember, we want to make pips, baby, pips. Okay, so enough of that. All right, so I'm still at School of Pipsology. Right now, my status is I'm in the undergrad freshman module, and I've done 14 out of 21 lessons completed. And I'm still studying the money management feature book over here, my Kindle reader. So I'm here. I did want to show you guys I did purchase that one money management. I was having some issues with an old credit card. So what I did is I went ahead and put a new credit card in there, so I was able to get that. It is worth reading. It's okay. But this book here is the book I recommend everyone to get. It's in my show notes. Is this book here, Forex Trading for Beginners 2020. This is a must-read, people. Along with School of Pipsology, you need to read this book. This book will put you on a path of glory. I'm telling y'all. This book, okay. Now, if you don't have a Kindle account, I highly recommend it. Especially if you want to become a true business person, investor, you're gonna have to read, you're gonna have to learn. And the Kindle way is a way to go. But if you don't like to read, I also suggest you get Audible. Both of those links on getting membership are in the show notes as well. Okay? So I'm happy with my new setup. My microphone is the Fine K052. The webcam is Venvetta 2K HD webcam with ring light. And my laptop is a Dell Latitude E7450. And the live streaming platform that I use to do my live stuff is StreamYard. All the links are in the show notes. Some stuff I will get paid for, some stuff I won't. Mostly anything with Amazon stuff, I get a certain commission off of. Just to let you guys know, that helps me out, keeps this channel going, okay? All right. And all of our official social media links and website are in the show notes. Those are the official stuff that I watch and I keep an eye on. Anything else ain't me, okay? If it ain't money, I don't know who it is. All right. If you care about me, you want to support me, you know what I'm saying? You can send me some Bitcoins. Love Bitcoins, you know what I'm saying? Or just buy me a coffee, okay? The link is down there in the show notes. Go and buy. I like sugar and cream in my coffee, baby. Okay? Let's get it. You know what? And like I like to say, I'm going to put this on some shirts, baby. Shirts and hoodies and hats coming soon. Be more financially free than yesterday. I love that. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm making it that way for myself. And today's quote, people, by Jim Lovell is, there are people who make things happen. There are people who watch things happen. And there are people who wonder what happened. To be successful, you need to be a person who makes things happen. You know what I'm saying? So make things happen for yourself. Don't wait on the government, your boss, your niece, your nephew, your auntie, your wifey, your whatever. Sometimes you got to take charge of your own destiny. Make it happen. Get out there and make it happen. Because sitting down and wondering and literally, dreaming is good. It's good to have a dream, but if you don't execute that dream, it's just a dream, baby. Okay, let's get it. All right, so let's see. Back to this. The Learning Hub, I have updated the Learning Hub. Okay, let me see here. So I did put some new articles. Very good article on overbought and oversold. Highly recommended this article. Here's the autoapplied niche profits. There you go. Let me click on the website. So you click this here. I know my web page is a little slow. I'm actually working on getting that to go up a little bit faster. So here's the actual website, the information. This is a short video on it. And this is basically what the full course includes: video training, audio training, an ebook. Click the purchase button, and there you go. All right. Like this, the 411, everything about me. Not everything about me, but a little bit about me. Here's my contact information, some other stuff, my motto, picture of me, CEO of Collins Capital Holdings. Everybody who listens to this channel or whatever, please incorporate yourself, get you an LLC, and also if you can, do a S Corp designation with the IRS. This is just what I do. You take it for whatever you want to take it. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you this is what I do. And pay yourself. Every time you make $1, you put away 10%. So you make $1, you put up 10 cents. And there's different vehicles you can put that in. You can put in crypto, you can put it in a savings account. I mean, you can buy an RA, whatever, life insurance. But remember, people, pay yourself, okay? That's one of the golden rules of money. Read this book here. If you never read The Richest Man in Babylon, this right here would give you some good, solid money foundations here. And also get your 99 financial terms. We also do affiliate marketing here. That's part of one of our income streams. This is another good book. So all these books I have right here, you should have as well. You know, because we do, the only stock investings I do is dividend investing. So if you invest in a stock, the only stock you should ever invest in is one that pays you a dividend. You know, those other ones, you can, you know, but I only use stocks for long-term investments. Definitely want to learn how to read charts. And there's some other stuff. This is because I do IT work, so that's why that's in there. And the reseller, I'm a reseller. I use a site called Auction Nation right now, which is pretty good. All right, so that's really about it, people. That's all I have for you today. I'm going to go head out and make a little bit of money on Lyft. Probably drive up to 12 or 1 o'clock tonight. My shift changed at my job, so now I'm working at 11:30 to 8 o'clock. And it's okay. I really go back to 5 to 1:30. That's the perfect shift. So I could do a lot of stuff during that time. Still get out, make some money on Lyft, still come home. And it's not too late. This right here, I ain't feeling it, baby. I ain't feeling it. But until next time, I appreciate everybody. I love you. Join all my channels, everything. Send me an email, call me. Doesn't matter. I'm always here to chop it up. Let's get this money. Until next time, this money. Yeah.